Lesson 5, Conditional Loops, Programming 301. We have quite a few new blocks in this lesson. We're going to use the switching to costume, specifying one specific costume to switch to. We're going to use the forever if loop, so we're only going to loop if this is true. Walk right, walk left, walk up, and walk down, which are functions that we created previously to make the knight move up, down, and left and right. The only vocabulary is a function. A function is a sequence of commands that can be run together as if they were a single command. So it's basically like giving a name to a huge chunk of code and being able to call it by its name. So for concepts, we're going to learn about switching costumes. So in this one, we can click on the different code blocks and see him switch. So if you look at Cody, he switches different costumes based on what I'm clicking on. And then the forever if loop, it's kind of like the when key pressed. So if something is occurring and that's true, it will keep doing that thing forever. So these both will make Cody jump. They just have a different way of doing it. This is forever if key is pressed. This is when space is pressed. But when you use the when space is pressed block, or when whatever key is pressed, when that's held down, multiple signals are sent to the program. So using this forever if loop takes away some of that issue. So it just looks at that one keyboard input. So then he can't jump mid-air if he's already in the air. He can't jump up again. So the first thing you're going to be doing is animating a knight. Using a loop, you're going to be moving left and right using the keys. And in knight attack, you're going to learn how to create a function that creates code that makes the attack happen. So you'll see right here, I can just call walk right because I've given it this name walk right, and it's going to walk you through doing that. And then you will code an attack function for the knight to be able to attack these zombies. And then you'll go when you actually attack the zombies pressing the space bar. And that one's pretty easy. And then animation control is the big one. And it takes a little while, but it's not too bad. Don't go all out on this. Just do what they're asking. So you're going to make the characters move around and make the characters dance or attack when you press specific keys. So for example, mine, when I press the space bar, these three dance. And when I push the up and the left arrow, different sounds play. So I don't need you to do anything more advanced than what they're asking you to do here. And then there will be the quiz at the end, and that's it for lesson 5.